Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show how I got this simple glam festive look along with this hairstyle, which is perfect for the festivals coming up. So you can definitely follow this tutorial for some tips. So let's get started with the video. So the kurti set I'm wearing today is from Myntra. I'll make sure to link it down below. And these earrings are from a local store. I had got it years ago, but you get these kind of jhumkis everywhere. Any gift store, any jewelry shop, even online, you'll get tons of options. I'm starting with prepping my face with the MAC Fix Plus, my all-time favorite. I had already used a sunscreen sometime back, that's why I'm skipping in this video, but please do not skip your sunscreen. For the primer, I'm using the Smashbox Primerizer, one of my favorite primers. If you have dry skin, you definitely need to try it out. It's of course expensive, but if you love to splurge on makeup, this is worth it. Just gives such a nice glow underneath your makeup and your base looks flawless. If you have any crackiness issue, dryness issue under your makeup, please prep your skin really well. Apply lots of moisturizers. Please ignore my hair. We'll do some simple hairstyle after the makeup is done. For the foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me. This is in the shade 228, and these days I am literally just dotting it. These days, as in I've always done that, but for the videos I would put a little bit more foundation, but I just don't have patience these days for full coverage. I literally took a dot and I spread it on my cheeks. I don't apply a lot of foundation. I just don't like a full coverage look because I'm having good skin days. Touch wood. I don't like a very cakey, very heavy base. And just blending it out. I don't mind a bit of spots visible, I like my skin showing through. And whatever's left, I'm just applying on the rest of my face. Then I would apply a little bit of concealer, like just a dot, literally a dot. This is the Born This Way concealer from Too Faced. Really good high-end concealer. Blending it in. And whatever's left, also applying on my eyelids. For the powder, I'm using Powder Puff these days. I stopped using Beauty Blender for powder. This just applies so much better. I'm using the Laura Mercier powder in the shade Translucent Honey. Just taking a little bit. Since I've not applied a lot of concealer, I'm not gonna bake and everything. Just applying the tiniest layer and just blending it out. Just dabbing. If you want your under eyes to not crease and look smooth throughout the day, you need to start using a powder puff for powder. Just applies so much better. And whatever is left, apply on my T-zone. It's quite humid, I do get oily. I'm gonna apply this cream blush. This is from House of Makeup in the shade Peach Cobbler. It's a really nice cream blush if you're looking for one. It's a dupe for Nude Sticks ka blush sticks. Sending it out. I should have applied it before powder, but then I forgot. But that's okay, I'll make it work since I haven't really applied a lot of powder on my cheeks. On top of that, I'm using this Swiss Beauty ka highlighter thing. It's a baked blusher and highlighter all in one. It's definitely a highlighter more than a blush, but you get different colors in it. You can definitely mix all of them. If you want a darker one, you can use this. So I basically just mix it if I want to use it like a blush. And I'm going to focus on the highest points because this is very highlighty, like very shiny and shimmery. If I apply too much, then I'll look like a disco ball. This is focusing on the highest points. It looks really beautiful in person, I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but the shine is just so unreal. This Beauty is so affordable, but they make really, really good quality products. This shine looks so good in person. If you have a lot of texture, then avoid applying it on your entire cheek because that will emphasize it. For the bronzer, I'm using Hoola bronzer as usual. I'm using this bronzer since so many years. Like, this was the first ever bronzer I got and I'm still using it. Don't judge. So I just use the brush which comes with it and thoda sa upar se I apply always. I like the shade of it. It's most probably expired, but I still use my old makeup. And I also contour my nose with this brush always. For the eyeshadow, I'm using the bronzer only, applying it all over my lid just for some base. I'm gonna apply a little bit of glitter after this. Almost forgot the most important step for me. I'm gonna highlight my inner corners. This is literally my most favorite step. Then gonna use Swiss Beauty again. This is their liquid metallic eyeshadow in the shade Champagne. Even this I'm using since so many years. It's almost dried out, but just trying to finish it. It gives a very nice shine. You don't need to blend it, just apply it, because I have tried blending it and it looks patchy that way. So just apply a solid layer. Mine is almost over and dried out, so you can't see much, which is actually playing in my favor because I don't want a very jhatak look. So it gave a very subtle shine, which I was looking for. I have this metallic eyeshadow from Sugar also, but that shade is like too golden. I like this one. It's like champagne. It's little toned down. It doesn't look too much in your face. When it was new, it was much more pigmented. Now it's dried out. Let me fill in my eyebrows really quick using the Sugar Micro Brow Pencil. Using this eyebrow mascara from Benefit. Applying little bit of that bronzer under my eyes also. I got my lash extensions done last month and most of it has fallen off, but little bit of it is left. I was just trying to extend it more, but I think I should apply mascara because you can't really see much. I'm not using waterproof mascara yet. Don't want to spoil my lashes a lot. Using this L'Oreal Superstar False Lash. If you get your eyelash extensions done, do not use your mascara if you want the lashes to last longer. It's been quite a while since I got them done and now they are almost disappearing. That's why I'm using mascara. बहुत ही हल्का कोड I'm using, okay? Because still I don't have the heart to spoil them completely. Imagine the people who have these kind of lashes naturally. Mascara लगाने में कितना मजा आता होगा ना? Finally, I'm gonna spray my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. This spray is really good if you want your makeup to last the entire day or entire night. I'm into glosses these days, so I'm just gonna apply these two glosses. This is from Mars in the shade Magic Pop, and this is from Makeup Revolution Shimmer Bomb in the shade Luster. And I just mix the most random glosses I have. Just love glosses. This one has this really unicorn-like pink shimmer. Just to make it a little darker, I'm using this Makeup Revolution one also. This one also is very sparkly. I had made a reel on this. Okay, I have a meeting now. After that, I'll show you the finished look. I'll be doing a sleek bun because in this humidity, my hair is not behaving. And I do have some grey hairs. We'll just ignore that. So first, I'll just spray some water so that I'm taming away the frizz first. And I can just apply gel. I just take some gel. You can use any gel you have. I'm using the Love Beauty and Planet. Use a gel which gives a decent amount of hold and make sure it doesn't give too much of this flakiness, otherwise your root area will look bad the next day. Tipcoing this, just sleeking this out. And I got this brush specially for the bun because it really holds all the hair, like all the baby hair it will take, and since I've applied gel it gets easier. I have left some fringes in front because I feel without that I look weird. So I'm just gonna do a regular bun. I have this gajra from Amazon. It's fake gajra but it looks real. They have added some scent also to it. It smells really nice. This is how it looks like. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every week and I will see you in my next video. Bye!